So in the previous one, we used the fuzzer application from the backtrack, and that was sending a big amount of information to a vulnerability application on Windows machine until it crashed at the end. So we are able to identify that the specific application has a power overflow. But what we need to do now is to utilize it and how to get the advantage from that. So firstly we need to analyze it. The first piece of knowledge that we need to know is that how much we collected and how much A need to be crash of the system, and where exactly those A has been sent and where the critical area of the memory. So the first thing you need to know is how many A led to the crashing of the system. So to able to do that, we can run an application one more time, and we're gonna repeat the attack, except this time we will not run the application of the buzzer at the first. So we're going to use the Wireshark application and to able to capture the quarter of a build, and Wireshark is a application that built in Linux. So we can open the application and start capturing traffic and repeat the attack until we wait until it crashes, and then we are going to try to identify the amount of traffic that led to the crashing. So we are going to go to the capture interface and capture it at the Wireshark application. So and then back to the computer to run the application number, and it will send the system crash. So now we are going to try to identify the amount of traffic that has been captured. So as you can see, like now we are looking for all kinds of traffic that will send to the computer to the other machine. So we need to first to know what IP of the backtrack machine. So as you see in this picture, they to be able to trace the what we just maximize the size and let the terminal. So what are we going to do now is that we are going to analyze how much air they let and catching the system, and because this is very important for those at that. So the hacker machine at this picture at end up at 95.130 IP address, and the victim machine that was 95.37. So we need to check the source IP at the software Wireshark, and check the source IP on the series 7, because you can put a filter in this IP and you can search for the IP that you previously got from this page. So we're gonna talk about this option in the next lecture, in full description.